Welcome to Fame Academy. In first part, we learn what is meant by linear Diophantine equation. Also, how to get solution of linear equation like ax plus by equal to c when at least one solution is known. Now, in this part, we are going to learn how to calculate initial first solution, and once we get initial solution, then we can easily evaluate other solution, friends. So up to this point we learn ax plus by equal to c. This linear equation is solvable for integer x and y if and only if the common factor between a and b, that is GCD or highest common factor between a and b, divides c, that is c is multiple of this common factor, or this common factor perfectly divides c, then only it will have solution, integer solution. Also, we learn how to calculate other solution if we know at least one solution, that is, let x naught and y naught is the solution. Then from this we can calculate other solution. How? So let other solution is x dash or y dash, then ax naught plus by naught equal to c, and ax dash plus by dash equal to c. Now this is the second equation and this is the first equation. If we subtract first equation from the second equation, that is subtracting this equation from this equation, we get, friend, a x dash minus x naught plus b y dash minus y naught equal to c minus c, that is 0. And rearranging this, we get, if we call this as the delta y and this as the delta x, then we get this as, friends, minus b into delta y, that is a delta x equal to minus b into delta y, and that is delta y by delta x equal to, friends, minus a over b, and this can be written as, friends, so we directly conclude that now delta y equal to minus a by b, friends, into delta x. Now here we like to calculate integer solution of ax plus by equal to c. So for integer solution, the delta x should be multiple of b, friends. So let delta x is multiple of b, that is bk. Then substituting delta x equal to bk, we get delta y equal to, friends, minus a k, and thus delta x is bk, means, friends, we can write other solution. Delta x means x dash minus x naught equal to bk. So x dash become x naught plus bk, that is initial solution plus b times k, where k is integer, friends. And similarly we can write delta y means y dash minus y naught So y dash equal to y dash minus y naught. Here minus y naught at this from left side, minus y naught goes to right side and become plus y naught, and this minus ak. Thus friends, in short, this x naught becomes x dash becomes this, and y dash becomes, friend, y dash become, this is x naught, friends. So y naught minus ak, and thus integral solution where k is integer, friends. Ax plus by equal to c. See friends, for x this goes here, and for calculating y dash, coefficient of a goes here, that is negative of a minus a times k. So in this manner we get solution. So we can represent in this manner, friends, ax plus by equal to c, and x naught comma y naught are initial solution. Then what we do, friends, so getting so x1 dash, what we do, this x naught plus, now crosswise multiply, so b times k plus b times k, and y dash is nothing but this y naught initial solution plus crosswise, here we negative of this coefficient minus a times k, where k is any integer, friends, and in this manner we get other solution, other integer solution of this equation. Now if we want only positive solution, that is x dash must be greater than 0, this is the condition, then apply this condition to x naught plus bk greater than 0 and evaluate. Similarly we can evaluate in this manner. Now but how to calculate initial first solution? So initial x naught y naught, how to calculate this solution of ax plus by equal to c? So let us, friend, understand it with one example. Let 3x plus 5y equal to 1. Now first we calculate initial solution x naught y naught, for which 3x plus 5y equal to 1. This equation gets satisfied, means 3x naught plus 5y naught equal to 1. This equation should be satisfied. So how to calculate? Now there are two methods. So one method is, friends, this is the bigger, this 5 is 5, the coefficient 5 is greater than 3. So what we do, this goes to right side, so 3x equal to 1 minus 5y, friends, and then let us divide by 3 and it becomes by 3, friends. Now minus 3y can be written as minus 2y and minus 3y. So minus 2y and minus 3y, and so it becomes 1 minus 2y by 3 minus 3y by 3, that is 1 minus 2y by 3 minus 3y by 3, that is y. Now friend, we like to calculate integer solution of this. Now that means x and y, this should be integer. So if y is the integer and this is also integer, then x also becomes integer. So let us select y such that this becomes integer, and let this integer is k. Let us, this integer comes k, that is 1 minus 2y by 3 equal to k. 1 minus 2y by 3 equal to k, that is 1 minus 2y equal to 3k. One minus 2y equal to 3k, that is 2y becomes, friends, 1 minus 3k, and thus y becomes our 1 minus 3k by 2. Thus friends, y becomes 1 minus 3k by 2. Y is 1 minus 3k by 2. Now again friends, this y should be integer. So 1 minus 3k by 2 should be integer. So when it becomes the integer, now if this is the even 1 minus 3k, this is the even, then when even number divided by 2, it becomes, friends, divided by 2 gives integer. So 1 minus 3k must be even number. So 1 is odd number, and from odd number if we subtract even number, then we get odd numbers. But from odd number if we subtract odd numbers, then we get, friends, odd numbers. We subtract odd numbers, then we get even number. So 3k must be odd, and for that k must be odd. If k is the even, then 3k becomes, that is 3 times even integer becomes even. Example, 3 into 2 becomes 6, 3 into 4 becomes 12. So k must be odd, so that 3k becomes odd, and 1 minus 3k becomes odd minus odd, that is even, and even divided by 2 becomes integer. So y becomes integer. So k must be odd, friends. And thus k must be odd, then y becomes integer, friends. So thus our solution is initial. So let us substitute k odd number, any odd number. So it becomes, substitute, let us substitute minus 1, k equal to minus 1. So this becomes 1 minus 3 into minus 1, that is 1 minus 3 into minus 1, that becomes 4, friends. And 4 divided by 2 becomes 2, so y becomes 2 here. Now substituting this y equal to 2 here, we get minus 2, and 2 into 2 is nothing but, friends, now this is nothing but k, friends. And what's k substituted we here? We substituted here k as minus 1. So this becomes minus 1. Or you can substitute 2. 2 into 2, 4. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Minus 3 divided by 3 is minus 1. So minus 1 minus 2 becomes minus 3. So x becomes minus 3. X becomes minus 3, friends. And in this manner, we get initial solution as y equal to 2 and x equal to minus 3. So initial solution is x equal to minus 3 and y equal to 2. So 3x. So let us call x naught y naught. Initial solution as x naught. Y equal to 2, y not equal to 2, and x not equal to minus 3. These are the initial solution. Then other solution we can easily calculate 3x plus 5y equal to 1. So what are the other solution? For other solution, x dash in terms of this initial solution x naught plus this 5 times k, that is friends x naught is minus 3, so 5k minus 3, or we can instead of k take other integer as t. Already we used k, so it should not cause confusion, therefore we use another variable. So t for t is a integer friends, t belong to z means integer. So similarly y dash becomes friends initial solution y naught 2 plus, now for y dash we use coefficient of this, here we use negative coefficient, inverse of this, additive inverse of 3 is minus 3 times t. The general solution is x dash equal to 5t minus 3 and y dash equal to 2 minus 3t, where t is friends integer. And here we can easily see for t equal to 1 print, it becomes x dash becomes 2, and here y dash become 2 minus 3, that is minus 1, and we can clearly see 3x plus 5y equal to 1. Let substitute here value of x, so 3 into 2, that is 6 friends, plus 5 into minus 1, that is minus 5, and it turns out as 1 equal to right side, so equation gets satisfied. In this manner friends we can calculate initial value, but this process is tedious, time consuming. So is there other approach? Yes friends, there is other approach, and we can easily calculate initial solution by using Euclid's algorithm. So 3x plus 5y equal to 1. Now what we do, we express this bigger coefficient 5 divided by 3 gives remainder as 2 and quotient as 1 friends. So 5 divided by 3 gives quotient as 1 and remainder as 2 friends. So we can express 5 as the divisor 3 into quotient 1 plus remainder 2. And in this manner friends, 5 can be expressed as 3x plus 5y equal to 1. Now we expressed 5 as friends 3 into quotient 1 plus remainder friends is 2, and thus we can express remainder 2 as remainder 2. So 2 becomes friends 5 times 1 minus 3 times 2 becomes 5 times 1 minus 3 times 1. Now again 3 can be written as 2 times 1 1 plus 1, that is 3 divided by 2 gives quotient 1 and remainder 1. Now friends, here we got 1 as the remainder finally, and thus here we can write this 1 as 3 times 1 minus 2 times 1. 3 times 1 minus 2 times 1. So what we do now? We back substitute this 2. In place of 2, we substitute this. So this 1 becomes, friends, this 1 becomes 3 times 1, 3 times 1 minus, in place of 2, we substitute this, that is 5 times 1 so minus, this becomes 5 times 1 and minus of minus becomes plus 3 times 1. So friends, 3 times 1 into 3 times 1, 3 times 1 plus 3 times 1 becomes 3 times 2. So 3 times 2 minus 5 times 1. So see, 3 times 2 minus 5 times 1, and this can be written as plus 5 times minus 1. In this manner, friends, we got we got 3 times 2, 3 times this 2 plus this 5 times this minus 1 equal to this 1. Now if we observe this, then clearly we get x as 2, this x as 2 and y as minus 1, because 3x plus 5y equal to 1 and 3 into 2 plus 5 into minus 1 equal to 1. So we can equate 3x plus 5y equal to 3 into 2 plus 5 into minus 1, and in this manner we can write it as 3 into x minus 2 plus 5 into y minus 1 equal to 0. Now clearly if we substitute x equal to 2 and y equal to 1, then we get 0 plus 0 equal to 0. So x initial solution is x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. So initial, so we can denote it by x naught y naught. Y equal to minus 1, friends, here minus 1, here y plus 1 equal to 0, so y equal to minus 1, 2 minus 1. Now once we get this solution 3x plus 5y equal to 1, we get x naught equal to 2 and y naught equal to minus 1. Now from this we can get general solution. How? So x dash in terms of this 2 plus, we are calculating calculating value of x, that is for x we use coefficient of this. So we can straightly use 5 or minus 5. If we use 5 times k, where k is integer, then we have to use negative of this, and if we instead use it here minus 5, then we have to here use straightly 3, but here we use plus. So here calculating y dash, what we do is initial value -1 and negative of this, we use negative of this 3 into k, and here k belong to integer friends, z. So if we like to calculate only positive solutions, that is x dash and y dash must be positive. If such is the condition, then we can restrict value of the k by applying condition. How? 2 plus 5k greater than 5k greater than 0 implies 5k greater than -2 implies k greater than -2 by 5, friends. So k is the integer and k greater than -2 by 5. That means k must be greater than, friends, greater than or equal to 0. Here is the, we get from this, we get k must be greater than or equal to 0 from this equation. And for this -1 -3k greater than 0, then if we apply this condition, -1 -3k greater than 0, here positive, so it becomes, friends, -1 greater than 3k, or we can say 1 plus 3k less than, friends, multiplying by negative number 0. So 3k less than -1 and implies -1 by 3, and it is thus -1 by 3, the integer k less than -1 by 3, that is less than -0.333. So here k comes negative and here k comes positive. So other solution, positive solution, k greater than or equal to 0 and k less than or equal to, that means value of k are not possible for this equation, friends. In this manner we can restrict the value of k's. Now let us see its practical application of Diophantine linear equation, linear Diophantine equation. If 2 oranges and 3 banana cost 10 rupees, then how many integral value can be the price of oranges and banana? 2 oranges, 2 oranges and 3 bananas, friends. Banana cost 10 rupees, then how many integral value can be the price of oranges and banana? Its total cost is 10 rupees, friends. 10 rupees. Now let price of one orange is, friends, price of one orange is A. Let us say its price is A and its price is B. Then price of 2 oranges become 2A and price of 3 banana becomes 3B. So 2A plus 3B the total cost, and it is given that it is equal to 10 rupees. So 2A plus 3B equal to 10. 2A plus 3B equal to 10. Friends, also price cannot be negative, friends. price cannot be negative. So price must be greater than 0. So that means we have to calculate positive solution of this. A and B must be greater than 0, both greater than 0. So let us calculate it. Now if here we see 2a equal to 10 minus 3b, friends. Now this is the even, this is even, this is even. So this must be even, because even plus even becomes even. If it is odd, then even plus odd becomes odd. So odd cannot be equal to even. So friends, this must be even. So for that B must be even, friends. So by Euclid algorithm we can calculate, friend. Here simply if we substitute A equal to 2, friends, then 3b becomes 10 minus 2 into 2. That is, friends, 10 minus 4, 6, and thus B becomes 2. So A equal to 2 and B equal to 2 is the initial value, friends. And from this we can easily generate next solution, friends. Integer solution. So A dash equal to this initial 2 plus coefficient of B 3 into K, where K is integer, let K be the integer, and B dash equal to 2 plus now minus 2 into K, where K is integer, friends. So 2 plus 3K, that means 3K plus 2. Now this must be greater than or equal to 0, friends. That means 3K greater than minus 2. That means K greater than minus 2 by 3. And the K is integer. So K greater than minus 2 by 3 means K must be greater than or equal to 0. So from this condition we get K must be greater than or equal to 0. And from this condition 2 minus 2K greater than or equal to 0. That is 2 greater than or equal to 2K greater than 0, friends. Price cannot be 0. So 2 minus 2K greater than 0. That means 2 greater than 2K. That is 2K less than 2. That is K less than 1. Now K is integer and K less than 1. That means K equal to 0, friends. Thus K equal to 0 is the only solution. We get K equal to 0. Then this becomes 2 and this becomes 2. So 2 is the first solution. Now friends, what if we also generate A dash equal to A initial value 2 plus negative of this 3K minus 3K, and B dash equal to initial value 2 plus 2k. Now in this case, this greater than or equal to greater than 0, and that implies k greater than or equal to -1, friends. K greater than -1. Thus this becomes positive for all k greater than or equal to 0, friends. And this becomes positive for 2 minus 3k greater than or equal to 2 minus 3k greater than 0 implies k less than 2 by 3. Means 0.666, and k is the integer. Here k greater than or equal to 0 and k less than 2 by 3. And from first condition we got k greater than or equal to 0, and from the second condition k less than 2 by 3 and k is 0, 2 by 3. So this is the open bracket, this is the solution, friends. You can take between 0 to 2 by 3 any value and substitute here, then we get this solution. Zero 2 by 3. Take any k value and substitute here, then we get a dash and b dash positive. But if we like to a dash and b dash as the integer, then k equal to 0 is the only solution, that is 2 and 2. And that is logical, friends. Why logical? 2a plus 3b. If we like to calculate integer solution, friends, integer and that to positive solution, that is ab greater than 0 and ab must be integer, then what are the possible ways? So age value can be maximum. If b, we consider b as the 0, then age maximum values become 10 by 2, that is 5. So a cannot be greater than 5, friends. A must be less than or equal to 5. And from, if we eliminate this term by substituting a as the 0, then b becomes 10 by 3, that is value of b 10 by 3 means this b is the, if we like to calculate b as the integer, then it becomes less than 10 by 3, just integer is less than or equal to 3. Thus substitute value of a equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and calculate corresponding value of b and check for which integer solution exists. So b less than or equal to 3, a less than or equal to 5. So substitute a equal to 0, then we get b equal to 10 by 3, not integer. So let us substitute a equal to 1. So 2 into 1 becomes 2. So 3b becomes 10 minus 2, 8. But 3b equal to 8 implies b equal to 8 by 3. That is not integer. So let us leave it. Again, print. A plus 3b equal to 10. Again, if we substitute a equal to 2, then only we get b equal to 2 friends. For substituting a equal to 3, we get b as the 10 minus 6 4, that is 4 by 3, not integer, so we cancel this because we like to calculate both a and b as the integer solution. We want integral solution. So now a equal to 4. Then friends, 4 into 2 8, so 8 plus 3b equal to 10, that means 3b equal to 2, that means b equal to 2 by 3. Again it is not. In this manner only solution, integer solution is a equal to 2 and b equal to 2, in this manner. Now let us see one more puzzle, friend. There are some males, females and children, and together men, female and children, there are 3 kinds of worker: men, female and children, and together total number of workers are 100, that is male, female plus children equal to 100. And for small task we give 7 rupees to each man, 5 rupees to each female and 1 rupees to each child, and then total 250 rupees is required to give 250 rupees is required to give money to them. So each man 7 rupees are given, so there are m men, so 7m becomes, and each female 5 rupees is given, so 5m, and if children 1 rupees given, so C children gets C rupees, so total, this is total equal to 250 rupees. Now friends, we like to now find the integer solution of this equation. So what are the possible integer solution? Because friends, males, females and children cannot be half, 1/4 or 0.13. Total number of men always are in the form of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on, integer, and female, number of females are also integer, and number of children also integer. So we have to find the integer solution of this. And how we can find? Just subtract, friends. 7m minus m is nothing but 6m, plus 5f minus f becomes 4f, plus c minus c becomes 0, so it is 0, equal to 250 minus 100, that becomes 150, friends. This is the equation first and this is the equation second. Now 6m plus 4f equal to 150. Now if we observe here, common factor between 6 and 4 is nothing but 2, and 2 perfectly divide this, therefore solution exists here. GCD of 6 and 4 is perfectly divides here constant term, so solution exists. Now we calculate the solution of 6m plus 4f equal to 150. So let us calculate 6m plus 4f equal to 150. Here if we observe, 150 as well as 6m are perfectly divisible by 6 because m and f are integer. So what we do, we divide the equation by 6, friends. So this becomes 6 by 6, and this becomes divided by 6, and this also we divide by 6, so this becomes 25. That means m becomes, friends, 25 minus 2/3 of f. Now if f is the multiple of 3, friends, then this becomes integer, and so integer minus integer becomes integer. So let us 25 minus f, let us consider f as 3t, then this becomes 25 minus 2t. So m becomes 25 minus 2t. The CF equal to 3t, m equal to 25 minus 2t. 3t. Here t is the integer, friends, and m equal to 25 minus 2t. And we know m, number of men plus number of female plus number of children, is 100. So C becomes, friends, 100 minus m, 100 minus this, that is minus 25 plus 2t, and minus this, minus 3t. And in this manner 75 minus t. The C becomes 75 minus t. Now how many solutions are there? We can easily determine the range, friends. So m plus f plus c equal to 100, and the 7m plus 5f plus 7m plus 5f plus c equal to 250. Now what if this is the 0, this is 0, friends, then f's maximum value of f can be, friends, 250 divided by 5, that is 50. So if f and c are 0, then it becomes 50. And if these two terms 0, then 7m, because m, f and c are positive, so this must be positive. So 7m must be less than or equal to 7m plus positive equal to 250, means 7m less than or equal to 250. So less than 250 means m less than, friend, 250 divided by 7, and we get 3 plus this point something, that means maximum value of m can be 35. So m must be less than or equal to 35. Now here m is 25 minus 2t, friends. 25 minus 2t less than or equal to 35, and thus we get, friends, 25 minus 35, that is minus 10. So 2t greater than or equal to minus 10. That is t greater than or equal to minus 5. And in this, here we get t greater than or equal to minus 5. From this get t greater than or equal to minus 5. T is the integer and that is greater than or equal to minus 5. And similarly calculate value of f. Here we calculated 250, 5f less than or equal to less than 250. That means f less than 250 divided by 5, that is 50. So F less than 50 means 3T less than 15, means T less than 16. So from this, T less than 16, 16 point something friends, means T less than or equal to 16 and T greater than or equal to minus 5. Thus we get friends T greater than or equal to minus 5 and T less than or equal to 16 at max. But if we substitute F equal to 3T, and from this friends, F cannot be negative friends. So if we take minus 5 to minus 1, then this becomes negative. So this is positive, this should be positive. So this implies T greater than 0. So here we modify the range. T greater than 0. Now again M is 25 minus 2T. This must be also greater than 0 because number of men. That means M 25 greater than 2T. 2T, that is T less than 12.5. T is the integer, that means less than 12.5, means less than or equal to 12 friends. Here 12 and here we get C 75 minus friends this also greater than 0. That means T less than 75. Also C less than 100 friends, because M plus F plus C equal to 100. So C less than 100. So 75 minus T less than 100. That means T less than 25. But already T less than or equal to 12 also. So friend, this becomes the range, and thus maximum we get how many possible values? T equal to 1, 2, 3 so on up to 12, and thus there are 12 such possible value. And if we substitute F equal to 0 here, then it becomes M equal to 25 and C equal to 75. And if we allow this F equal to 0, then that T equal to 0, then that becomes 13 value. Thus 13 such 13 value exist. In this manner, friend, we can solve real life problem by using linear Diophantine equation. Also, one more practical application is there. We can balance the chemical equation by using linear Diophantine equation. Example, friends, propane get burned. When propane get burned, then it produces carbon dioxide and water. So here is the reaction according to propane C3H8 get burned. It is C3H8, X1 molecule of this C3H8, that is propane, reacts with X2 molecule of oxygen, and it gives friends X3 molecule of carbon dioxide plus X4 molecule of water. Now on left hand side we have to balance this. For that we have to figure out x1, x2, x3 and x4, so that the number of carbon atom on left side must be equal to number of carbon atom on right side. Similarly, number of hydrogen atom on left side must be equal to number of hydrogen atom on right side, friends. And similarly, number of oxygen atom on left side must be equal to number of oxygen atom on right side. Here 3 carbon C3, 3 carbon atom are there. So x1 C3, in x1 C3 there are 3 into x1 carbon are there, carbon atom, and on right side here carbon dioxide molecule just one. So such x3 molecule are taken, then it contains x3 carbon atom. So 3x1 must be x2, friends. And similarly for hydrogen, here C3H8, propane contain 8 hydrogen, and by taking such x1 molecules we get 8x1 on left hand side, friends. And on right hand side water contain 2 hydrogen molecule, hydrogen atoms. So x4 molecule of water contain x4 into 2, that is 2x4. So 3x1 equal to x2 and 2x4 equal to 8x1, that means x4 equal to 4x1. So this is, and this is x2 equal to 3x1. And similarly friends, oxygen, here in O2 oxygen molecule contain 2 oxygen atom. So oxygen x2 oxygen molecule contains x2 times 2, so 2x2 oxygen atom on right hand side. And on left hand side, friends, in carbon dioxide molecule 2 oxygen atom, and in such x3 molecules x3 into 2, 2x3 plus here is 1 oxygen, so x4. Thus we get 3 equation, friends, this equation, this equation and this equation. So 2x2 equal to 2x2 equal to, friends, 2x3 plus x4. These 3 equation are nothing but, friends, 3x1 equal to x2, x4 equal to 4x1, x2 is 3x1 and x4 is, friends, x4 equal to 4x1. And now here 2x3 plus x4 equal to 2x2, friends. So here 2x3 becomes 2x2 minus x4, 2x2 minus x4. Now 2x2 is nothing but, friends, 6x1, 6x1 minus, and x4 means 4x1, that means 2x1, friends. Here comes 2x1, 2x1, and in this manner, friends, we get ratio of x1, x2, x3, x4 as. So ratio of x1, s2, x2, s2, x3, s2, x4 as friends. x1 if we take 1, then this becomes x2 3, and this becomes x3 becomes 2, 2x3 equal to 2x1. So this becomes friends x1 x3 equal to x1. So this becomes 1 and x4 becomes 4. So 1 3 1 4. So x1 x2 x3 x4 can be taken as k, 3k, k and 4, 4k. Here k is an integer. Thus this can be substituted and chemical reaction becomes balanced friends. In this manner, by using linear Diophantine equation, we can balance the chemical equation. Thanks for watching friends. For more such videos, subscribe our channel PM Academy. Thanks.